Is ghee really good for you? That's the enigma we're about to unravel. Ghee, a type of clarified butter, is steeped in rich history and tradition. It's been a staple in Indian cuisine and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. In essence, ghee is butter that's undergone a process of clarification to separate the milk solids and water from the butter fat, leaving behind a golden aromatic liquid that's both versatile and flavorful. Ghee's popularity isn't confined to the Indian subcontinent anymore. It's making a splash in kitchens around the world, finding a place in everything from sautéing and frying to baking and roasting. But it's not just the culinary world that's taken note. Health enthusiasts and fitness gurus alike are praising ghee for its potential health benefits. So now that we know what ghee is, let's explore its benefits and drawbacks. Because, like anything else, it's all about balance and understanding how to incorporate it into our diets in a healthy way. What are the benefits of incorporating ghee into your diet, you may ask? Well, let's delve into that. First off, ghee boasts a high smoke point, making it safer for cooking. Unlike many other oils, it doesn't break down into free radicals, which are harmful substances that can lead to chronic diseases. Now, let's not forget about its rich buttery flavor that can surely elevate any dish. But ghee is not just about the taste. It's also packed with essential vitamins. Yes, we're talking about vitamins A, E, and K. These nutrients are key to maintaining a healthy immune system and promoting skin health. And it doesn't stop there. Ghee is a source of omega-3 fatty acids, known for their heart-healthy benefits. Plus, it's lactose-free, making it a fantastic option for those with lactose intolerance. While these benefits make ghee seem like a superfood, it's important to also consider the potential drawbacks. What should you be cautious of when consuming ghee? As with many things in life, ghee is no exception to the rule of moderation. Despite its numerous health benefits, there are a few things you need to watch out for. First up, it's worth noting that ghee is high in calories. Just a single tablespoon contains around 120 calories, so it's easy to overdo it if you're not careful. Moreover, ghee is high in saturated fats, which when taken in excess can raise your cholesterol levels. This can potentially lead to heart disease, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. And because it's so calorie-dense, overconsumption of ghee can also lead to weight gain, which brings its own set of health issues. Remember, while ghee can be a healthy addition to your diet, it's important to consume it in moderation. Overindulgence can turn this golden elixir into a health hazard. The key to reaping the benefits of ghee without suffering the drawbacks is moderation. So, how can you safely incorporate ghee into your diet? Ghee, a clarified butter commonly used in South Asian and Middle Eastern cuisines, is a powerhouse of nutrients, offering benefits like aiding digestion, boosting immunity, and promoting heart health. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Consuming ghee in large amounts can lead to weight gain and increased cholesterol levels. When it comes to choosing ghee, opt for high-quality, organic, and grass-fed varieties. These are richer in nutrients and free from harmful additives.